Hospitals and care institutions require precision tools that don't interrupt patient rest. That's where Vital Things Somnifi steps in, a fully contactless monitoring system designed to safeguard patients and optimize health tracking while they sleep. From tracking light, deep, and REM sleep to monitoring air pressure, humidity, and respiratory rate, the system continuously compiles a holistic sleep profile. In the palm of your hand, the Nomdic R150 transforms any flat surface or ceiling into a cinematic canvas. The built-in battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous film playback or 7 hours of uninterrupted music, making it ideal for long flights, impromptu backyard showings, or off-grid weekends. It delivers a true 100-inch display without needing a massive setup, offering immersive visuals even in small rooms or tight spaces. Worn like a badge, Lido transforms the way you connect. No bulk, no fuss. At just 0.55 inches thin, this ultra-light wearable walkie-talkie blends into your gear while delivering rugged performance. Its smart ring controller gives you full hands-free command, allowing you to talk, send voice messages, or drop pins with a simple gesture, leaving your hands open for climbing, biking, or field work. MIGO Ascender charges forward where others stop. No threshold too high, no step too steep. Designed to climb stairs while cleaning with precision, this robotic vacuum breaks free from the limits of flat surfaces. With 9,700 pascals of suction power, it lifts embedded debris from carpets and hardwood alike. Built with a robust 17 Newton-meters mopping pressure system, it scrubs hard when it matters, leaving floors not just wiped but polished. The fully enclosed all-in-one base station keeps everything hygienic and hands-free. Dust, water, and maintenance are automatically managed. The Lumx double-headed LED desk lamp offers a modern solution for any workspace or home that requires versatile, adjustable lighting. Featuring dual heads, this lamp provides wide, even light coverage, perfect for multitasking or setting the mood in any environment. The lamp allows users to easily adjust both the color temperature and brightness to suit different tasks or times of day. Equipped with energy-efficient LED technology, it delivers bright illumination while minimizing power consumption. In a compact body weighing just under 8 ounces, Seal Light stands as a masterclass in portable 3D scanning, bringing lab-grade performance into your hands. This scanner uses a specialized precision blue imaging system that emits light between 400 and 500 nanometers to achieve stunning 0.02 millimeter accuracy. That's 5 times more detail per unit, ideal for reverse engineering, small-scale prototyping, or digital preservation. Sometimes life doesn't come with a laundry room. That's where ICTK steps in, not just as another gadget, but as a thoughtful solution to everyday drying needs. For people constantly on the go, sharing small spaces, or lacking permanent housing, ICTK brings flexibility and performance to the forefront. Dryers today are often too big, too loud, and not designed with intelligence. Even portable options on the market are clunky in practice and fail to offer true portability. Step onto precision with Lefu, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. The Zero Mark II redefines versatility in everyday carry tools. With its sleek and compact design, this innovative pen packs an impressive array of features into a form no larger than a credit card. Crafted from 54 meticulously engineered parts, it transforms into a fully functional writing instrument, making it the perfect blend of portability and utility. This cutting-edge pen is more than just a tool. It's a testament to precision engineering. When collapsed, it effortlessly slides into your pocket or wallet, ready for easy access whenever needed. Engineered for peak productivity, this modular control system elevates your entire setup with precision and style. Built for content creators, streamers, and tech professionals, it combines tactile finesse with customizable control. Whether you're editing video, mixing audio, or managing a multi-cam stream, each button, dial, and fader responds instantly to your workflow. The customizable keys and faders can be mapped to your exact preferences, turning complex software actions into a single touch. Radiating warmth and elegance, this eco-conscious heater redefines what it means to heat a space naturally. Built from terracotta and powered by bioethanol, it spins a living vortex of fire, bold, contained, and magnetic. More than a heat source, it's a visual centerpiece, delivering both performance and atmosphere without relying on gas lines or electricity. At its core lies an aerodynamic marvel, a terracotta body engineered to accelerate airflow and amplify thermal lift. Engineered for professionals who demand precision, the Neo Ruler redefines measurement with its 12-inch digital edge and plus or minus 0.004-inch accuracy. Whether you're in the studio, on-site, or at the drafting table, this smart scale ruler adapts instantly to your workflow. Equipped with 93 built-in scales, it seamlessly toggles between US imperial and metric units, covering both architectural and engineering needs with confidence and speed. Forget bulky towers and tangled cables. Miniroka condenses high-performance computing into a compact, sleek powerhouse with a built-in 7-inch touchscreen. Whether you're editing video, managing spreadsheets, or jumping into high-fidelity gaming, the AMD Ryzen 96900HX CPU and ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, available in 8, 16, or 32 GB configurations, deliver seamless multitasking and lightning-fast response. At the edge of fast data workflows, the Terram D8 Hybrid takes command. Designed to balance speed and capacity, this 8-bay USB storage enclosure blends 2 NVMe SSD slots with 6 HDD bays, delivering the flexibility content creators and IT pros demand. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, it pushes data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second, ideal for 4K editing, backups, or expanding storage with no bottlenecks. Whether you're battling a dead battery or clearing crumbs from tight corners, this powerhouse tool meets the moment. The Dustbuster X is engineered as a complete vehicle companion, integrating raw suction force, essential emergency tools, and mobile convenience in a rugged, travel-ready form. The versatile air pump inflates tires, sports gear, and air mattresses up to 120 psi, while the jump starter revives 12 V-car batteries in seconds. No cables or second vehicle required. When your commute calls for more than just convenience, the Lur R1 delivers both movement and power in one durable frame. This 3-in-1 electric scooter blends cutting-edge performance with emergency utility, giving urban riders and outdoor explorers a powerful edge. With a peak speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it handles city streets with confidence. Its 500-watt output motor makes inclines and varied terrain manageable, while regenerative braking and smooth throttle response create a seamless ride. Forget the hunt for the perfect pair of trees. With the Anaka portable hammock stand, you bring comfort wherever you set foot, be it sun-baked shores, rugged trails, or your own backyard. Designed to be as adventurous as you are, this stand unfolds into instant relaxation with its intuitive snap-fold system. In just seconds, you're lounging without tools, knots, or frustration. Whether you're reading under the sun or stargazing at night, you control your position with precision. Precision takes a new form in this handheld powerhouse engineered for real-world application. The Atiman LS6 isn't just a distance meter, it's a multi-mode measuring tool built for professionals and perfectionists alike. With 3-in-1 functionality, it seamlessly merges laser, distance, angle, and tape measurements into one compact body. The visual aligning beam adds accuracy to every calculation, letting you lock onto targets up to 131 feet away with confidence. Buggey Mini redefines compact navigation for trailblazers and explorers. Designed to guide you through any adventure, this modern compass delivers a 360-degree floating bezel, ensuring precise direction no matter the conditions. Its coin-sized build makes it incredibly portable, fitting effortlessly into your gear without taking up space. Crafted for resilience, it features an IPX8 waterproof rating, meaning it thrives in the harshest environments, rain or shine. The Dock Orb is a powerful 12-in-1 docking station that completely transforms your workspace. With dual 4K HDMI at 60 Hz, it effortlessly supports 2 high-resolution monitors, offering unmatched visual clarity. It features a versatile array of ports, including 2 USB 3.1 ports and 3 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring quick and seamless data transfer. Late-night raids, open-world adventures, or split-screen duels. Whatever your style, this gaming bed transforms your space into a true command center. Tailored for adults who refuse to compromise comfort or performance, this setup combines immersive tech, smart design, and bold aesthetics. Packed with features that matter, it includes a 32-inch HD TV built into the foot end, fully upgradable to a 43-inch 4K screen. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. Let your coffee break say more than just, "I need caffeine." The Pixel Mug P1 is not your average mug. It's a fully customizable, AI-powered display companion designed to animate your space with light, color, and personality. With 1,000 vivid LED pixels wrapped around its 14-ounce ceramic body, this mug lets you broadcast your mood, personal messages, or pixel art in real time. Paired with a sleek app, you can instantly upload animations, text, or images with Bluetooth control from up to 33 feet away. Step away from static posters and costly reprints. The ballooning 8-color e-ink canvas reinvents wall art. No glass, no glare, no electricity-hungry screen. Instead, you get full-color, paper-like visuals that shift with your mood, all powered by the advanced Spectra 6 e-ink panel. With a 28.5-inch sharp IGZO display, every image appears crisp and natural, minus the harsh blue light or flicker of traditional displays. Restless nights steal energy from your days. Hoodie changes everything. This next-gen anti-snore pillow uses bone conduction technology and real-time AI monitoring to gently guide you into quieter sleep. Designed with a fully integrated structure, Hoodie doesn't just track snoring, it understands it. Inside, a dynamic airbag system adjusts the pillow's contour based on your sleeping position, subtly shifting your head to open airways without waking you. Warm summer air clings to the skin, but the WashWow electronic bath ball changes everything. Built for clean confidence, this compact powerhouse uses advanced water electrolysis to neutralize odors without harsh soap or friction. Designed with precision, it silently purifies as it soaks, leaving your skin refreshed, not stripped. Crafted from high-quality materials, the WashWow bath ball slips easily into your daily ritual. Whether you're parked deep in the desert or camped by a winding trail, this rugged shower system brings the comfort of home to the wild. Designed for off-grid simplicity, it delivers a powerful waterfall spray with a remarkable 596 square inches of coverage. Enough to rinse off thick mud, salt water, or trail dust in seconds. Activate the flow with a single tap. No fiddling, no hassle. The 5.3-gallon reservoir holds enough for up to 5 full showers, making it ideal for small groups or extended trips. A modern solution for ambient lighting, the Hamela C05 redefines convenience and elegance in a compact form. This wireless wall sconce blends practical features with minimalist design to enhance any room without the hassle of cords or permanent wiring. Built with a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery and certified for safety, it delivers reliable, long-lasting illumination, perfect for daily use without constant recharging. Beneath the calm glow of modern simplicity, Miz Home Floaty redefines what a home lifestyle lamp should be. Balancing science, architecture, and pure innovation, this levitating masterpiece is more than decor, it's a statement. Inspired by the principles of tensile strength, Floaty uses magnetic suspension to hover effortlessly in place, casting warm, ambient light that calms and elevates any room it inhabits. Crush limits and rebuild strength from your living room with the MJim 3000, your smart, all-in-one training system that transforms how you train. Built for serious performance, this powerhouse delivers up to 400 pounds of intelligent, adjustable resistance with pinpoint accuracy. Over 60 guided workouts led by expert trainers keep your routines fresh, whether you're sculpting muscle, torching fat, or building endurance. Its sleek profile fits tight spaces without sacrificing function. Touchscreen control and app connectivity ensure you're always dialed in, tracking progress and pushing boundaries. Out where city lights fade and the sky reveals its hidden canvas, the Vista portable smart telescope transforms ordinary nights into clear sky adventures. Built for stargazing, birding, and wildlife observation, this compact powerhouse balances portability with performance. Whether you're scanning the night sky or tracking the wing beat of a hawk at dawn, Vista delivers with 240 times zoom power and ultra-sharp precision. Unleash control with a tool that transforms your creative workspace into an intuitive command center. The Tourbox Light bridges the gap between efficiency and precision, giving digital artists, editors, and photographers a tactile edge that speeds up workflows without straining budgets. With 8 strategically placed buttons capable of executing over 100 customizable actions, this controller offers both simplicity for newcomers and deep functionality for experienced users. When the dust settles and streaks blur your view, the Hut W8 stands ready to reset clarity with every pass. Whether tackling pollen buildup or city grime, the 3,800 Pascal suction power keeps it firmly anchored to glass, ensuring a streak-free finish on vertical surfaces. Its dual water spray system applies just the right amount of mist to soften debris before the microfiber pads do the rest.